Сейчас же я хочу увидеть, как вы влюбляетесь.
Welcome back to another episode, guys. Today we're back down on the beach. It is a stunning day. It's superb. Look at the ocean. It is incredible. Now, yesterday we were down at the beach and we were catching a lot of these small little blacktail and a little pompano. That's what they call pompano, little wave garrick, with those 2-inch camel worms. Today, as you know by the thumbnail, we're going to be trying something different. I want to try and catch the same fish, but on these little Haribo gummy worms. Now, I know it's been done before, so I'm sure it's going to work. I've got high hopes. Man, there's so many beautiful little gullies that we're going to be throwing this around in. I'm almost certain that we're going to get something. So let's get this rigged up onto the jig head and let's get casting. This is going to be sick. All right, so while we're setting up, I got my ultralight rod here, super tiny, super flexy, and we've got a little jig head on the end, just like that. And we're going to rig up one of these gummy worms and throw it around, see if we can pick up something for the pan to eat for lunch. If not, I got another plan. We're gonna head back to the campsite, cook up a mean chow for lunch. But stick with me, because this is gonna be a good mission. Now, they are quite long. I think about half will be good. All right, it's a little bit more tricky to rig up than I thought, but I think that looks pretty good, if you ask me. Yeah, I think that's definitely gonna work. So let's cast it out there and let's see if we can pick up something right off the bat. All right, here we go. This is where we hooked up yesterday, so I know there's fish. Let's give it a go. First cast with the gummy worm. Come on, baby, come on. All right, nothing on the first cast. All right, we got to follow there. We got to follow. That's good news. Okay, I'm definitely seeing some fish out there. Okay, so no bites yet on the gummy worm. So what I want to do is I want to put on a little 2-inch camel worm and I want to try it, one of these guys, and just see if these fish are actually biting or not, or if it is in fact the gummy worm. Hopefully, well, I don't want to say hopefully they're not biting, but hopefully they are biting and we can still get them to get a gummy worm. But let's try one of these 2-inch camel worms just to see, because I'm seeing a lot of fish out there and decent sizes as well. So maybe we've got to change the color of the gummy worm. I don't know, but it's got to work. I can't see how this doesn't work. Let's see if this works. Oh man, big hit there, big hit. Oh yes, there we go. Oh no, he let it go. Alright, so we have had no luck No luck with the gummy worm, no luck with the camo worm, no luck with anything. But we're gonna keep trying, we're gonna be persistent. But take a look at this. These massive sea urchins. So you really have to be careful where you stand. They're all over the place there, because you do not want to get one of these stuck in your foot. I've had one before on my toe, and what they do is it spikes, it breaks off, and then it just disintegrates inside your toe. It crumbles, so you can't really pull it out. It's pretty painful. Anyway, let's keep fishing. Oh, big hit there, big hits, big hits. Okay, let's try a red gummy. Let's see. But I think that looks really good, man. I don't understand why it doesn't work. All right, let's give it a go. Gummy worms are not working, but I'm not giving up. But I have like 2% left on my GoPro. We got to get back to the tent. We got to cook up some lunch because I'm starving. And we haven't got a fish, but we're definitely not giving up. We're gonna give it a go a little bit later again, see if we can get something. So let's get back to the tent, and I got a really cool meal planned. I'll see you guys up there. All right, so yesterday unsuccessful with the gummy worm lure. We're back out this morning to try it again. I don't want to finish this video without getting at least one fish on the damn gummy worm. So let's give it another go. Wow, dolphins. Woo. Let's try a camo worm just for luck. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oh yes, we got a fish, we got a fish. Oh goodness. First cast with the camo worm, first cast. Go on, buddy. It's not looking good for the gummy worm. Oh yes. We got one, 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 we got one. Woo! Alright, come on buddy, come on, come on, come on. Oh man, look who's peeping in at me over there. Look who's in the bushes over there. big monkey wanting to steal my food. Alright guys, well, it's not a fish, but it is a damn tasty lunch nonetheless. Take a look at that. Fried egg and tomato toasted sandwich. It's hot. Guys, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Next time, we're going to get one on that gummy worm, I guarantee it. I don't know, today just the fish weren't biting, but that's fishing. We're going to have to give it another go. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider it, please. It really will help me out. And I'll see you guys next time on the next fishing mission. Bye. There's a monkey around here and he wants to steal my food.